Hello, today we'll discuss insertion of rational number between two given rational number. Insertion of rational number. Rational number or rational numbers we can say between two given rational numbers. So for example, we are provided two rational numbers a and b. A and b are two given rational number and we have to find rational number between them. So a and b are there. A and b are the two rational numbers such that a is less than b, or we can say b is greater than a. A is less than b. This is the smaller number. This is the larger number. And we have to insert rational numbers between them. We can insert one rational number between them. That will be take the mean of them, or we call average a plus b by 2. So a plus b by 2, it will lie between these two numbers. And this is the relation between these three numbers. Now between a and b, how many rational numbers we can insert? There are innumerable, or we can say infinite rational numbers we can insert. We can insert infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So for example, I take 5 and 6. These are the two rational numbers, 5 and 6. We have to insert rational number between them. One rational number that can be inserted is take the average of them, 5 plus 6 divided by 2. So this is the mean of 5 and 6. So it will be 11 by 2, that is 5.5. So 5, 5.5, 6. 5.5 lies between 5 and 6. And how many numbers are there? How many rational numbers are between 5 and 6? There are infinite. You can write 5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 up to 5.9, 6. Now between these two numbers, again you can write 5.01, 5, 5.01, 5.02, 5.02, 5.1. Again between these two numbers you can write. So between any two rational number, there are infinite rational numbers. So any number of numbers we can insert between any two given rational number, because between any two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers, and from among them we can insert any rational numbers. So here we follow one procedure. For example, we have to insert one rational number between a and b. We take the average of them, and that will give halfway between them. That is 5, 5.5, 5.6. We have inserted 5.5. Now for example, so this is the number 5, 11 by 2 and 6, that is 5.5. If we have to insert one more rational number between, so we can insert either here or here. Either we can insert here or here. One we have inserted, if the question asks insert two rational numbers between 5 and 6. So one we have already inserted. Next number we can insert either between 5 and 11 by 2 or 11 by 2 and 6. So if I am inserting here, I have to take the average of this, that will be 5 plus 11 by 2 divided by 2. So take the LCM, it will be 10, 21 divided by 2 divided by 2. It will be 21 divided by 4. If we convert into decimal, it will be 5.25. So 21 divided by 4 is 5.25. Now 5 number we had 5.25, 5.5 and 6. So we have inserted two rational numbers, or we can insert here as well. Now I am taking exercise first E, third question. So we have to find a rational number. We have to find we have to find a rational number. Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 I have to find one rational number, a rational number. So in this, which one is smaller? 1 by 3 is smaller, this is smaller, this is larger. 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Between them I have to find one rational number. So what we'll do? We'll take the average of them. So average of them will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2. So we'll write a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2. This is equal to how much? Take the LCM. 6, 3 plus 2 whole divided by 2. 5 divided by 6 into 2, it will be 5 divided by 12. So we have inserted one rational number, 5 divided. So result will be 1 by 2, 5 by 12, 1 by 3. Either put commas or we can do like this. So 5 by 2 lies between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So this is the rational number we have inserted. Now fourth I am taking, fourth question. We have to insert two rational numbers. Find two rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 1 by 7. So here the smaller number is 1 by 7. 3 by 4 is the larger number, 1 by 7 is the smaller number. So sign will be like this. Now we have to find rational between two rational numbers we have to find. So first we will insert one rational number. We will find one rational number. So a rational number between 3 by 4 and 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is, add them, divided by 2. So it will be how much? Take the LCM. 28, 4 7 3 7 21 plus 4 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. It comes out to be 25 divided by 28 into 2. It is 25 upon 56. We have inserted one rational number. So it will look like 3 by 4, 25 upon 56, 1 upon 7. Now we have to insert one more rational number. One we have already inserted. Now we have to insert one more rational number. Either we can insert between these two rational numbers or between these two rational numbers. So if I am inserting between them, for example, I am taking this one. So a rational number between 3 by 4 and 25 upon 56. It will be is, take the LCM, take the mean, upon 56 divided by 2. It will be how much? LCM will be 56. 4 14s are 14 3s are 42 plus 25 divided by 2. It will be how much? 67 upon 56 into 2. 67 upon 112. So we have inserted one rational number between 3 by 4 and 25 upon 56. So answer will look like 3 by 4 greater than 67 upon 112 greater than 25 upon 56 greater than 1 by 7. These are the two rational numbers we have inserted. Or if you are inserting a rational number between them. So it will be, if you are inserting a rational number between 25 by 56 and 1 by 7, it will be a rational number between 25 upon 56 and 1 by 7 is how much? 25 upon 56 plus 1 by 7 upon 2. So we are taking the mean of these two numbers. It will be 56 will be the LCM. 7 8 are 56. 25 plus 8 whole divided by 2. It will be how much? 33 divided by 56 into 2. 33 divided by 112. So three upon 4, 67 upon 112, 25 upon 56, 33, 112. So either you can insert these two rational numbers, or you can insert these two rational numbers, or you can insert any other two rational numbers between them, because between any two rational numbers they are infinite rational numbers. So your answers may vary, may be different from these three numbers. So how you can check? Convert them into decimal and see whether they lie between these two rational numbers or not. So only the condition here is that these numbers must lie between these two rational numbers. Now I'll be discussing fifth question. Fifth question, find three rational numbers between 1 by 4. Find three rational numbers. Find three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So 1 by 4, 3 by 4. We have to insert three rational numbers between them. 1, 2, 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. By observation we can see as well. Their denominators are same. Numerator 1, 3. 2 by 4 can be one rational number. By observation we can see that we can easily figure out 2 by 4 will be the number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, where this is a smaller number, this is a larger number. So a rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So we are inserting first one rational number is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 divided by 2. It comes out to be, denominator is same, so 4 upon 4 divided by 2. It will be 1 divided by 2. So we have inserted one rational number and it will look like 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Now we have one we have already inserted, two more we need. One we can insert here, one we can insert here. So one between the 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Other will be between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So two rational, one we already inserted, second we can insert here, third we insert here. So a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. So take the LCM 4, 1 plus 2 divided by 2. 3 divided by 4 into 2. This is whole, this whole divided by 2. 3 upon 8. Second rational number we inserted. Third rational numbers between them. A rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. Take the LCM 4. It will be 2 plus 3. It will be 5 divided by 4 to the 8. So next rational number is 5 by 8. So how will write? 1 by 4 less than 3 by 8. This is the first rational number. Less than 1 by 2 less than 5 by 8 less than 3 by 4. So we inserted 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 rational numbers we have inserted between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. We will be winding the lecture here. So till 5th we have completed. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th we will discussing next lecture. And on 14th May, test of first C and first D. On 14th May there will be test of first C and first D. On 15th May we will discuss the solution. And 16th May test of first E.